Hello and welcome to a video to complement this listing. This is the Canon EOS M50 bundle or kit. It is a mirrorless digital camera, 24 megapixels with a 15 to 45 IS image stabilized STM lens with the stepper motor, nice and quiet and quick, and it's f3.5 to 5.6. There's a f3.5 to 6.3. Should get that right in a moment. It comes with a 240 volt UK style mains lead, the original Canon charger, an EOS camera strap which you can remove to make the camera easier to handle or keep it on for safety purposes. The M50 spec is listed there below, and a review. Well worth a read. Good camera these are. I like these a lot actually. They're nice and small, medium weight, has the hot shoe, a nice electronic viewfinder, a screen that is extendable, articulates, and is great for selfie and videoing. Tripod mount on the base, comes with its original Canon battery, and also the SD card slots in there, and you'll need an SD card, something along the lines of one of these to pop in. They're only about £8 these days in Sainsbury's. The lens itself, well, it's in good condition. The camera's seen a moderate amount of use. It's I'd say 8 out of 10 condition. The lens is pretty clean and tidy. It does have a stowaway facility, so you'll notice the barrel folds in and it locks in, and then you can unclip it, he says. Actually, it's much easier on the camera. So there we go, nice smooth movement, and then a nice focus ring rotating on the front, which is electronically controlled, so the barrel doesn't move. The sensor itself is in nice condition. The screen in nice condition. I'll just turn it on. There we are. And then you have a touch screen as well on the menu, and this one's been reset, so it's showing the older style, well, the guide function on there. And then if you offer your eye up to the eyepiece, it automatically turns the viewfinder off like so. Microphone input and usual connections on the side, plenty of buttons, does depth of field as well, nice rotating mode dial there as well. Nice little standard kit for somebody who wants to go that next level up. If I can replace the lens, there we go, and it'll be sent out special delivery. Thank you very much.